Today let's talk about newer Amana refrigerators like the one I have in this box. If your refrigerator looks like the picture of this one on the outside, either with or without the indoor water, then I want to show you how to find error codes and look at the diagnostic mode to help you troubleshoot any possible problems you could have with your Amana side-by-side refrigerator. It's really easy, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that we want to do is to locate the control interface in the refrigerator. It is in the refrigerator cabinet on the right side in the upper left corner. Once you locate it, it should look something like this close up regarding the interface and the button it has. To initiate the diagnostic and service mode on this type of refrigerator, we want to unplug the refrigerator, then you want to plug the refrigerator back in. Now within 30 seconds of powering on the refrigerator, you need to press the temperature select button. You need to press the temperature select button until it is set to the single light setting at the top of the control. Once there, you need to press in the door switch to simulate the door being closed. Then you need to press and hold the temperature setting button for 5 seconds. This will then trigger all the lights to flash on the UI, telling you that you are now in service mode. These lights will shut off in 10 seconds and now you're ready to use it. To cycle through the test modes, you want to press the temperature setting button and wait about 3 seconds in between each mode selection. Here are the various modes that you can cycle through and the lights that should be displayed. You'll start off at mode 0. The first button press will force run the refrigerator compressor system. The next button will turn the compressor off and all the service lights as well. The next one will turn on the defrost heater, and of course that one's extremely important for many people to run that forced defrost mode. Pressing the temperature select button again will turn the heater off as well as the lights. The next press will turn on the last light, but it doesn't actually do anything as far as forcing a mode. After this press, you'll get into the error code mode or display fail message mode. In this mode, any system failure is going to cause a code to show up. If no lights show up, your refrigerator thinks it is in good working order. Here's the table of failure codes for your refrigerator. If any lights flash, your refrigerator believes that there is an issue. These are the codes available to this style refrigerator when I've made this video, but it's possible there could be more than 7 possible failure codes in the future. In this example, I am simulating a refrigerator and defrost sensor error with lights D9 and D8 flashing. The service sheet does not inform me if it can flash multiple series of codes indicating more than one failure. Additionally, it doesn't tell me how to resolve the codes, although I imagine that by unplugging the refrigerator and installing the correct part should flush the codes out of the system. When you are done with the display messages, otherwise known as error codes, you can press the temperature select button one final time to show one last light. A final last press of the temperature button will return it to the refrigerator's normal operating mode. Finally, there is a sales demo mode for this style model, or showroom mode. You'll need to unplug the refrigerator, then wait between 15 and 30 seconds for the system to reset, then plug it back in. Now, within 2 minutes of the refrigerator booting up, you want to press the temperature setting button until the maximum cooling mode is reached. You'll then need to press and hold the door switch to simulate the door being closed, then press and hold the temperature setting button for 3 seconds. If you perform the demo mode correctly, each UI button should flash individually and keep cycling. Once you press the temperature setting button again, the refrigerator will fully engage the demo mode. From this point, any button you press will be fake. It may show that the selections are changing, but it will not run the compressor. It will not cool at all, although the lights and everything else will pretend like it's working. Now to exit the showroom mode, you're going to take the same exact steps as we did earlier to put it into the showroom mode. Temperature lights to the max, press and hold the door switch button, then press and hold the temperature select button for about 3 seconds. This will reset the refrigerator to its normal operating procedure and it will cool again. I know this was a short video with about 14 codes and options, but it should help you go a great distance to diagnose possible issues with your Amana side-by-side refrigerator. Make sure to subscribe because I will be working on additional videos to help troubleshoot this style of refrigerator if you have a major issue with it. Have a great day.